Hi precious, welcome back. So, in my last video, I taught you your very first crochet stitches, the slip knot, the chain and single crochet. And I promised you with just those three stitches, you could actually make something real. So, today we are going to do exactly that. I'm going to show you how to make this little coin purse completely from scratch, start to finish in one sitting. You can use this as a coin purse or just a regular small purse or as your mini makeup kit or your bag purse. When you're traveling, you can easily keep your pads or your important essentials here. Just in case, if you haven't watched the last videos yet, go watch that first. I'll link it right here because this picks up exactly where we left off. Here's everything you need for this project. First, your yarn. I'm using a medium weight cotton yarn today in this beautiful royal blue color. Cotton is actually perfect for bags and pouches because it holds its shape really well. But honestly, use whatever yarn you have. Your crochet hook. Today I'm using a 3.5 millimeter, a pair of scissors, yarn needle and some stitch markers. And later in this video we'll learn how to use this all. Small zipper or buttons for the closure like this. Let's get started. Start with your slip knot just like we practiced and put it on your hook. Now we are going to chain 21. So count with me as I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 and the last one 21. Now here's a little tip. After every 10th chain, you stop and count back. You know, it is so easy to lose count, and starting with the right number matters for this project, matters for any project. So 21 chain, that's your foundation. This determines the width of your purse, so don't skip counting. And if you want that your purse should keep your phone inside, then just measure the length of your phone and then you can add chain accordingly. Now we are going to single crochet across just like we practiced. So skip the first chain, as you know that this is your turning chain. So we are skipping the first chain and then insert your hook into the second chain. Okay, then yarn over, pull through. Wait, let me come a bit closer. Yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over again and pull through both the loop. Okay, so we are not going to practice here again because we have already learned it. So work one single crochet into every chain across. It's going to take a little bit time. There's no rush. Take your time. Now, when you reach the end of the row, then chain 1 and turn your project. So this chain is just to bring your hook up to the right height and it doesn't count as a stitch, okay? So now insert your hook in this gap. Can you see this gap, these gap? So insert your hook here. Again, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through both the loop. And now we are going to do single crochet again. And that's all you're going to do, row after row of single crochet until your piece measures about 14 centimeter or 5.5 inch long. This gives us enough fabric to fold into a purse. I know it feels repetitive and sounds boring, but honestly, this is the meditative part of crochet. Put on a podcast or your favorite show and just enjoy it. And when you'll come back, I'll be waiting for you right here. Okay, so this is how your rectangular piece looks like. See how the fabric build up? You can already see the texture forming from the single crochet stitches. That little V pattern, that's all your hard work right here. So keep going until your piece looks like about this size. Pause the video whenever you need to. Go at your own pace, and I'll be right here when you come back. Now we are going to fasten off. And to do that, just cut your yarn about 15 centimeter tail. Then pull the tail all the way through the loop on your hook until it snugs. And that locks your work so it doesn't unravel. Now thread the tail on your yarn. And we are going to wave it in and out on the back of your work. And we are going to do the same for this tail also. And your rectangle is done. Honestly, take a second to appreciate it. You just made fabric with your own hands. That's incredible. Now the fun part, turning this flat rectangle into an actual purse. So fold your rectangle in half so the short end meets. You can fold it like this, or you can use a zipper here. What I like to do is to fold it like this, leaving some part alone so that we can close it in this way. To stitch it perfectly, here I'm going to use stitch markers. Now you thread your yarn needle with a new piece of yarn in the same color obviously, and we are going to whip stitch down both the open side. Keep your stitches even and snug, but not too tight. Then we are going to knot it off. Cut the extra yarn. Now we are going to do the same thing on the other side also. Done. Now we are going to turn the right side out, and guys, and look at this. I mean, you have a little purse here, an actual functional thing you made with your own hands from just 3 stitches. Are you kidding me? Okay, for the closure, you can sew on a small button and make it a little chain loop on the other side, like this one. I've made it here. Or you can grab an adhesive velcro, and super easy, no sewing needed, just attach it here and here and you're good to go. See, here I have a finished purse tied up. Isn't it cute? And this took me about 45 minutes from start to finish and cost me almost nothing to make. Now you know that the chain and single crochet. Next I'm going to teach you one more stitch that opens up the whole new world of project. Things like bags, cardigans, blankets, and the list goes on and on. So do subscribe so you don't miss that. If this video helped you, a like really does help this channel to grow and help other beginners to find it too. So thank you so much if you do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!